What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook profile picture without notifying your friends or without posting an update on your timeline. So the first thing you need to do is go on your Facebook profile page by clicking this Facebook logo and selecting your profile. So now as you can see, I'm on my Facebook profile page. In order to update the profile picture without notifying my friends, just click on the profile edit icon which is here. Click update profile picture and select the new profile picture and click save. Once your profile picture is updated, the next thing is to quickly refresh your Facebook tab, and once it is refreshed, you will see post for updating your profile picture on your timeline. Just click on these three dots, click edit audience and change the privacy of the audience from public to only me. The privacy has been updated and only you will be able to see the profile update post on your timeline. Your friends won't see this update. Now if you want to hide this update from your timeline, again click on these three dots and click hide from profile. So it will be hidden from your timeline. And if you are using your phone to update the profile picture, just select the picture and you will see a small option, share your update to news feeds. All you need to do is uncheck this and click save. So the post of updating your profile picture won't be shared on your news feed. So I hope guys you have found this video helpful. If yes, do give thumbs up and subscribe for more updates.